Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. So today we will have pattern of organization. So pattern of organization here means you have some pattern or model, of a paragraph in reading text. So there are some pattern or model in paragraph development. Oke, silakan dibaca. Diva ada?
PowerPoint-nya belum kelihatan.
Oh, belum kelihatan ya. I will stop share. So I will share screen. Yes, this is So in pattern of organization, we have some paragraph development So in developing a paragraph, there are 4 common patterns that writers use to state their ideas. So the first one is listing of related ideas or examples, and then the second one sequence. The third one is comparison or contrast, and the fourth one is cause effect. Jadi ada 4 pattern or pola dalam menulis paragraf atau in reading text. First is listing of related ideas or example atau kumpulan dari related ideas or example, and then sequence, kemudian comparison or contrast, menggunakan perbandingan, kemudian cause and effect. Ini beberapa contoh In this pattern, the writer's main idea is stated in the form of generalization and followed by a list of supporting details. So listing of related ideas or example has some signal words seperti a few, several, numerous, many, for example, a variety, another, in addition, beside, first, and last. Oke, untuk paragraf 1, saya minta tolong dibaca. Mungkin Ananda Diva.
People have many different ideas about what makes a good vacation. Some people like to go for a long walk in the forest where they won't see anyone for days. Others prefer to spend their holiday in an exciting city. There they can visit museums, theaters, and good restaurants. Still others enjoy the fresh air at the seashore. They can spend their days at the beach and listen to the ocean wave at night. A few people decide to stay at home and do some major household projects. They might spend their vacation painting a porch or washing all the windows in their apartment.
Yeah, okay, that's good. So, from the paragraph, we know that the main idea in this paragraph is people have many different ideas about what makes a great vacation. Those underlined words are signal words, so you can notice atau memperhatikan Some underlined word, for example, others, still others, a few people, and so on So they function somewhat like traffic signals. So each signal calls your attention to something. In this case, the author's example. So in listing, you can find the signal word For example tadi others, still others, a few people. Ini mencontohkan bahwa there are some different ideas. So others prefer to spend their holiday in exciting city. And then still others enjoy the fresh air and the seashore. Jadi ada beberapa idea untuk mengisi liburan. Yang pertama, berkunjung di kota-kota yang menarik and then Ada yang berkunjung di pantai atau seashore, and ada beberapa yang stay at home ya, and do some major household project. Okay, next. The second pattern is sequence. So in this pattern, the writer main idea includes a series or events or steps that follow one after another. The signal words are first, next, last, after, at last, and then finally later, before, while, at the same time. Okay, now who wants to read? Hedi ya, Hedi maybe. Oh, ada Naila. Oh, ya, nanti habis ini ya, Naila. Hedi dulu mungkin. You can read.
Yes, ma'am.
Paragraph.
Albert Einstein was born near the end of the 1800 in ULM, Germany. Ulm, German. He graduated from the University of Zurich in Switzerland at the age of 26. 14 years later, he won the Nobel Prize from Physics. For the next 10 years, he lived in Germany. Then, in the early 1930s, he had to leave Germany because of Hitler and the Nazi Party. He moved to the United States, where he lived until the time of his death of the age of 74. He lived a long and productive life.
Productive life, yeah. Okay, so the main ideas is Albert Einstein lived a long and productive life. Yeah, so the signal words help you notice the important event in his life. The important idea is that the things happen in a certain order. Jadi yang perlu diperhatikan dalam paragraf sequence adalah the sequence, ya, the series or event or times. For example, we can find the dates, years, times of the day, season, and plane number. Yeah, in this paragraph, the underlined word is near the end of the 80s, yeah, or 1800s, or we call it is 18s, ya, tahun 1800-an gitu ya. And then at the age of 26, and then 14 years later, for the next 10 years, and then in the early of 1930s, and also the time of his death at the age of 74. Jadi ini menunjukkan paragraph sequence. Okay, next, number 3, it's about comparison or contrast. So in this pattern, the writer main idea explain similarity and or differences. A comparison can include only similarities and differences, while a contrast includes only the differences. So the signal of difference, for example, however, unlike, although, conversely, yet, signal of similarity, for example, like, both, similarly, in common, and also. Okay, next, Naila, can you read the paragraph?
Okay, yes. Visitors see some similarities between New York and San Francisco. Both cities, for example, are exciting cultural centers. They are equally attractive to people from many parts of the world. The cities are also alike because they both have many beautiful buildings, large, lovely parks, and grand bridges. On the other hand, the two cities have important differences. One difference is the lifestyle. New Yorkers are always in a hurry and are much less friendly than residents of San Francisco. The streets in the California city are very clean, unlike New York, where the streets are often dirty. Another major difference is safety. San Francisco has much less crime than New York.
Yeah, okay. So the main idea of this paragraph is there are both similarities and differences between New York and San Francisco. So the statement point at the similarities and differences is the writer mentioned. So comparative forms of adjective and adverb are also used to signal difference. For example, the word older and faster. Okay, so we can look at the paragraph. Di sini ada some similarities between New York and San Francisco. So similarities-nya apa? The first is the attractive, ya, to people from many part of the world are exciting cultural centers. And then similarity yang kedua adalah many beautiful buildings, large and lovely parks, and grand bridges. Okay, this is the similarities. And then on the other hand, or however, ya, we have there are some differences also. The first differences is the lifestyle of New Yorkers and people in California, ya. So New Yorkers are a hurry and much less friendly, and then on the other hand, in California, the city are very clean, unlike New York, seperti itu ya. Unlike di sini menunjukkan differences ya. Kemudian another major differences is safety. So San Francisco has much less crime than New York. Oke, so ini maksudnya California, ini maksudnya San Francisco ya, not California. So maksudnya San Francisco. So there are some similarities and differences. Okay, next, cause effect. So this pattern is found very often in history books, science texts, and novels. It is important to recognize the cause effect pattern when you read. Some words can signal which part is a cause or effect. Siapa tadi yang mau baca selain Naila tadi siapa? Yang sempat raise hand. Atau saya tunjuk aja? Reason. Oh ya, ini sudah lihat. Eric mungkin? Yes, silakan.
Yes, ma'am. In 1989, the Exxon Valdez oil tanker spilled millions of gallons of oil in Alaska Sea. Biologists who have studied the local wildlife have noted the consequence of the spill. It has resulted in a great decline in the number of birds in the area. The spill also has caused many young harbor seals to suffer from brain damage and death. Killer whales also felt the impact of the spill. Since 1989, more than 1/3 of the whale population has disappeared.
Yeah. Okay, so in 1989, the Exxon Valdez oil tanker spilled millions of gallons of oil in Alaska Sea. So this is the cause, yeah. Biologists who have studied the local wildlife have noted the consequences of the spill. So it has resulted in a great decline in the number of birds in the area. Jadi karena kebocoran ini ya, tumpahan minyak dari Exxon Valdez tanker oil, ya, kapal tanker ini Exxon ya, ini membuat decline ya, menghabiskan atau mengurangi jumlah birds ya, burung-burung in the area of Alaska seas, and the spill also has caused, menyebabkan ya, many young harbor seals to suffer from brain damage and death ya. Kemudian killer whales also fell in the impact of the spill. So more than 1/3, sepertiga ya, whale population has disappeared gara-gara ini ya. So the oil tanker spill. Yeah, so the main idea of this paragraph is the oil spill in Alaska resulted in many harmful effects on animals. Yeah, so the signal words call your attention to each cause or effect the authors mentions. Yeah, okay, so this is the explanation. So the pattern is listing, definitionnya tadi sudah ya, in this pattern. The writer's main idea is stated in the form of generalization. It followed by a list of supporting details. And the signal words, a few, several, numerous, the main, other, many, a variety, for example, another, in addition, besides, one, first, second, third, and last. And then the sequence, definitionnya tadi, in this pattern, the writer's main idea includes a series or event. And the expression, you can use some signal word, for example, first, next, last, after, and finally, and time expression at 1 o'clock in the evening, in 1980s, and etc. And then for comparison contrast, definitionnya, you can use ideas to explain the similarity and differences. So signal of difference, you can use however, unlike, on the other hand, in contrast, although, and so on, yeah, and then signal of similarity, like, both, similarly, also, in common. And then for cause effect, if the action causes another, so you can use, for example, because I forgot my umbrella, I was caught in the rain. So this is bisa jadi menjadi cause effect ya. Okay, for exercises, so each group find some paragraph ya to make some so every group try to find some paragraph that consists of listing, sequence, comparison contrast, and cause effect.